Hi, everybody. I am Mr. Brown, in case we haven't been introduced, and I am the Answer Man. Get it? Dancer Man? Okay, so we're here to learn a few moves for the Friday School's Choice video. And any moves you want to learn, that would be awesome. I can take 5 seconds, I can take 10 seconds of your video, or you can learn as much of this as you want, and you can improvise as much as you want too. So I just want to get some people involved and have some fun. The first moves are just your elbows. And I'm going to call out the elbows. This is left, and so you'll do your left elbow as well. So left one, there's 7 of them. 2, 3, 4. Then you look to the right on 5. You look to the left 6. You look to the left 7. That's the last one. Now you look to the front on 8. So far, so good. Now we're going to take our jazz hands. Say stop. We're going to pump 1, 2, 3. That's all. Just make sure we can see you in the screen. And now close them on 4 and push them away on 5 so it all kind of makes sense there. And now, no. Okay. Show them how strong you are. And now just jam. 2, 3, 4. You cross them 5 and you open 6. You cross them 7. You cross on 8. This one matches the words. It says you. Point right out at the camera and tell them you can make it. Let's make this really optimistic. You can make it happen. And you can improvise it and do that any way you want, but you're pointing, maybe with both fingers, right? And then you open your hands, make it happen. Here's the hard part. If you want to go for this, I would love anybody who wants to try this. So you've got your hands here. You're going to go 1, cross them over there, and now 2. You put your right hand on top, left hand underneath. You're kind of resting there like a table. I'll call it a table. And then we're going to make a window. That right wrist is going to go up, and then that right wrist is just going to slide down. This finger is going to slide down that way, and they're this way. So this finger is touching that elbow. These fingers are touching that elbow. And then you just switch so that the left wrist is up on top, and as a window. Hello. Great. Let's try that. And then the last part is just kind of go down like that. So you can make it happen. All right. For the folks out there who want to test themselves, this is cross and table and window. It's just like a little house. And another window. And 5, 6. Put your left elbow on the table. Look away on 8. You look front on 1. Hello. Pull down 2. Yes, I mean it. That's right. 3, 4. And then just roll it as fast as you can. And that's it. That's the verse. The chorus is very easy, and I want as many people as possible. Your grandmother, your dog, some stranger walking past, as long as they have the mask on. And here we go. It is right and left and right and left. Just wax on, wax off. Pretty easy, right? And then you're just going to let your hands melt down any way you want to. Then the last part of this song, it says, we can get you up. Hopefully we can. And maybe I'm pointing my watch, or maybe I'm falling asleep, or I'm being the person who needs to be woken up. And we can get you going. So how about pushing someone off to school and getting them going, or getting them going, just encouraging them in some way. So that's the chorus, and that repeats about 4 times the first time around, and it repeats 6 times the second time around. Let's try the last part. It's really fun. So go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You melt and down 7, 8. You go. Hey, get going here and push along 6, 7. Try it again. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got up 6, 7, 8 and tap 2. Wake up and push. I gotta get going to school. So that's it. Let's try it with music. And you can rewind this all you want. By the way, if you're worried about having your face being seen, you can wear Snapchat, filters. You can put sunglasses on. You can put hoodies on. Hoodies would be great. We could see just the top of your head if you're worried about that. There's all kinds of ways that we can have fun with this. So let's try it with music, shall we? Just 8 counts. Here we go.
With so many choices, it's tough to stay with one. Got way too many options just to have some fun. You can listen to the others, but they might not understand. Just put yourself in your shoes. It's time to take a stand. You can make it happen. get you going. Start your day right here. We'll get you up and get you going right here.
So, folks, that's the dance, and anything about that that you'd like to contribute would be amazing. If you just want to jam like that, you could do that. If we just want to see the top of your head bouncing along, that's okay. With your head in a pillow, that can work. With you in a filter again, or are you just lip syncing the words? The words are pretty easy to figure out. I can also send you the words if you would like them. And then again, whatever you can do, it'd be great to have your participation. Thank you so much. Have a great and amazing and fabulous day.